USAID delivers drone donations from Skydio to Ukraine for documentation of Russian war crimes, by Drone Life staff writer Ian M. Crosby. The U.S. Agency for International Development (USAID) announced today the delivery of 9 Skydio 2+ drones to the Office of the Prosecutor General of Ukraine. The drones, donated by Skydio, feature 4K cameras capable of capturing high-quality photo and video. The Office of the Prosecutor General will leverage this feature for the documentation of the more than 115,000 cases of destroyed civilian infrastructure and evidence of human rights abuses on frontline communities and liberated territories. The drones will play an essential role in enabling the Prosecutor General's team to pursue justice for survivors of war crimes and human rights abuses committed by the armed forces of the Russian Federation. In addition, 2 Ukrainian human rights coalitions supported by USAID have documented over 40,000 incidents of Russia's war crimes since February 24, 2022. The agency also participates in joint war crimes documentation visits with Ukraine's Office of the Ombudsman for Human Rights. USAID has previously delivered Starlink data terminals donated by SpaceX and laptops and software for Ukraine's school children and teachers donated by HP Inc., JP, IK, and Microsoft. The agency also supports Ukrainian grain production and export through the Agri-Ukraine initiative launched back in July of 2022. Last week in Odessa, Administrator Samantha Power announced a contribution of $250 million in USAID support for Agri-Ukraine for a total of $350 million, and also leveraged an additional $250 million for the initiative coming from fellow donors, the private sector, and foundations.